CNBC's sister company Universal officially opening its largest park to date in Florida today, and it's called Epic Universe. Julia Boorstin joins us right now with a fast-forward look at what this theme park means for the industry. Good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. Well, the theme park battle between Disney and Comcast is heating up with today's opening of Universal's Epic Universe, an estimated $7 billion plus investment. Now, industry insiders are telling me that the media giant's parks divisions are more important than ever. A larger part of Comcast once it spins off Versant, which includes CNBC, and almost 60% of Disney's operating income comes from its parks division at a time of transition and uncertainty for its linear and film divisions. Now, Epic Universe, which includes Harry Potter and Nintendo worlds, double the company's Orlando footprint. Executives saying demand has been strong and optimism is high that tourists will travel to Epic as a main destination rather than treating it as a day or two add-on to a Disney trip. Now, Disney has historically dominated as Florida parks drew around 50 million attendees in 2023 to Universal's roughly 20 million. Now we'll have to see whether Epic Universe eats into Disney's business or whether a bigger draw in Orlando will benefit both players. Disney's Parks Chairman Josh D'Amaro is bullish, saying, quote, if something is built new in Central Florida like Epic Universe, that new tourist coming into the market is going to have to visit the Magic Kingdom. Analysts warn of a potential negative impact near term after Disney saw a slight dip in attendance back in 2010 when Universal's Harry Potter Land opened. But TD Cowen's Doug Kreutz tells us, quote, in the short run, Epic's opening impacts Disney at the margin negatively, but longer run, I think it probably will be somewhat of a positive for Disney. Now, looming over the whole industry is concern about a potential decline in consumer spending or a pullback in international visitors. But for now, Disney and Universal are both bullish on their theme parks business.
Have you been yet?
I have not been to Epic Universe. I have been to Universal in Hollywood many times. My kids are big fans.
But the notion that it used to be an add-on instead of a destination now I think is real. And I was talking, we had a gentleman on yesterday talking about it. And I said, you think of Disney IP as more, but the Mickey, Universal has Frankenstein and Wolfman, and one of the four sections has all the old Universal monsters. So you add that in with Harry Potter. I don't know about Nintendo so much, but they're catching. I think Universal's catching up.
Yeah, I mean, just the
visit with the hotels that they've built there.
Yeah, and the size of the park, and I think that the idea that these Harry Potter lands and Super Mario lands, they're super high tech, really interactive. Right. It's different than an old park where you just go on the ride, and they're really making it more of an experience. So I think this idea that over the long term, people are going to say, okay, I want to go to Harry Potter Land, I want to go to Super Mario Land, and I'll have a longer trip.
Isn't it most families go down there for 3 days, 4 days? So now there's going to be some choices you're going to have to make.
And what Universal is hoping that maybe you'll spend more time at their park. So we'll see how it all shakes out. But we know these parks are really important for these companies.